and to indicate your willingness to be faithful in the sharing of the same with one another. Remembering the words, "He that dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty." Lord, these four placed over your shoulders as a symbol of God's immeasurable love, binding you as one. It should not wear out because of years, but years will only strengthen it. It is not a shackle to enslave you, but a fence to protect you from the evil one. The scripture says, "Who shall separate us from the love of God? Shall tribulation, distress, persecution, famine, nakedness, peril, or sword?"